All right, we got a lot to do and not a lot of time to do it. So today we are working on the Tacoma yet again, but this time it's more than just adding accessories. I am getting ready to go on a trip to Arizona, which is about a 3-day drive from where I live. And so we need to go over this thing, make sure it's road ready. I'm going to do multiple things here. We need to check all the fluids. I want to put washer fluid in the reservoir because it's out. Half of this might have to wait until, might just have to bring it with me and do it in Arizona in the middle of the desert. But, you know, that's okay too. Well, boys, we might have developed a leak. So it was dripping, as you probably just seen there, dripped one drip actively right there. Now it stopped. I'm a little confused, but I'm just sure. Probably can't see that there, but in there is a little rubber hose. And that little rubber hose is leaking. So it's not just, it's like a special preformed hose. It's probably some dumb thing I have to go to Toyota for, but we will get that soon. I will leave a bucket here, and I leave this here overnight. But in the meantime, she's just gonna drip slowly on the rag. It is what it is. Probably why it was empty in the first place. so here's a close-up of those battery terminals, negative, positive. As you can see, it's just a lot cleaner. You don't have to stack rings on top of each other, or if you do, it's not as many. And it just allows you to put more accessories on here. They do have even bigger ones. I just like the cleaner look of this, of the 4-point, or I guess technically 8-point connection connectors. And so yeah, they're just super clean look. I love them. I put them on my 4Runner I had before this, and if you intend on adding any accessories, I highly recommend them. They're called like V-Gate battery terminals. If you just search accessory battery terminals, they'll pop up on Amazon. Changing the fuel filter, which means crawling in the dirt because I don't have a lift. It's not dirt though, it's concrete. Rutted concrete, but it's concrete. Let's see if this bucket fits under here. Hey, looky there. To catch the fuel. I actually think it's the original fuel filter, unfortunately, because they're supposed to be changed like every 60,000 miles, not 250,000 miles. But that's okay. We're putting a new one in now. I didn't own this truck that long ago. I've only put like 1,500 miles on it.
So, add something to the last second list of tomorrow morning.
Alright, unfortunately, yet another thing. Always on hold. But we're coming back tomorrow morning. Fuel filter. The fuel filter is, the lines are stuck. So we're going to soak them in some PB Blaster and then let it sit overnight. And I'm going to bring back my line wrenches tomorrow to hopefully get it undone and then put the new one in. But in the meantime, we're going to put wheels and tires on this, and then we're going to go home for the night and finish it up tomorrow morning. Alrighty. Alright, so here are the beautiful methods we're going to be slapping on the taco. They look mighty fine. Let's get them on there. They should stick out a little more too. And they're an inch bigger. Alright, we're going to give a quick before and after. So here are the wheels and tires before. Some newer Tacoma wheels. And they sit literally like even with the side. So we're going to see how much poke we get and also how much height. One of these compared, let's lift one of these bad boys up. But look at the difference. I don't know if you can see that on camera there, but yeah, way taller looking, or just actually way taller. So we'll see how those fit. I think these are going to look so much better. Moment of truth.
Goddamn. I found you.
Oh my goodness, this is so much better. Like, look at that. It sits out probably a good, about that much more than the other ones did. And these wheels are just so good looking. I love those wheels. The perfect tire size, the perfect everything. Just exactly what I want. And when we get this bumper on here tomorrow, hopefully, It's just gonna complete the look along with the headlights even. Just gonna be so much better. All right, so I'm going home for the night. It is officially 10:30, and so I don't want to get too tired because I want to hit it hard early in the morning. We're gonna come back here tomorrow morning, try to finish this up as soon as possible. All right, we're here the next day, and the next evening. We got here earlier this afternoon, and look what arrived. Our bumper, which is awesome. So we have to take this bumper off. I just got done with the spark plugs. I finished it up on this side and on that side. Everything's good there. Fixed the vacuum lines as well. I tried changing the fuel filter, and let me tell you, it just drips and drips and drips and drips, which makes it 10 times as long. And I ended up accidentally stripping out the new one, and so I had to put the old one right back in, and that was a process. But in the meantime, we're going to take this bad boy off, assemble this guy, and put it on there, and see what she looks like. Bumper's off, total of 4 bolts, 6 I guess, if you count these little ones, but 4 main bolts. Now, we get to put this thing on. So this comes, I believe, in 3 pieces. The outer wings that go right here on these corners are separate to the center portion. And there she is. Let's put it on. Okay. Ooh my. This thing turned out absolutely beautiful. So what we had to do, we wired in these blinkers to the factory blinkers, replaced the flasher inside with an LED flasher, Diode Dynamics one. We had to trim these, and these tires are a little big, so we had to kind of pull back and shape the mud flap, and they do still rub a tiny bit, so I'll have to work on that. But this thing just looks so good. And then we did the same on this side. It's really just, we'll give you a complete rundown once we get to AZ, but in the meantime, yeah, no, it just looks good. I can't wait to get my winch and the light bar and the pods in there as well. And then the Raptor lights on the grill and the new headlights. It's just gonna fully complete the look and look amazing.